Hey guys, how you doing? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this video, I just want to continue the conversation with Terra Luna Classic because it's been crazy. You know, in the main channel, in my channel, I've been talking about it for a while, and I'm bringing you guys the insights to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel right here. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe so we're getting more people. We're about to launch. There's many different big things coming for ClearCryptos. Now, what is happening if you're a beginner here? Obviously, it is not the first time that you're hearing anything when it comes to Terra Luna Classic. The reason why it's happening is because anytime we have such a hyper inflated and, well, at the same time hyped community token, in this case, this one also classified as a meme coin, as fast as you get up, you also come down. And we saw it yesterday, 24 hours ago, where the price got all the way to 3059. Today is the 9th of September. Right now, at that point was the 8th of September, September 8th. So in less than 24 hours, went to almost 306 to 30 about 3. Here it is, right? So you don't see these type of massive movements in some blue chips, right? That is one thing you have to understand. Big returns, big risk. That is, I think, when you go to a gamble in Vegas, that's one thing that you learn very quickly. If you're a beginner, I will highly recommend to probably stay away with a lot of your money from this type of cryptocurrencies. At the end of the day, it's going to be your money, and this is not financial advice, just a comment that I would like to make to you. But this is pretty cool. We know there's a bunch of big news coming in for Terra Luna Classic when it comes to burns, when it comes to approvals for proposals and 1.2 tax firm, when it comes to other different exchanges embracing that, and when it comes to Terra Rebels developing more blockchain technology for this cryptocurrency. So that is really good. But let me show you one thing when it comes to price comparison, right? The price of Terra Luna Classic is coming down right now, but Shiba Inu, Crypto.com, as you're seeing it right now on the screen, and even Bitcoin, we're seeing a come up. Oftentimes it happens with the inverse relationship with community tokens, where the community token oftentimes explodes and the rest don't do anything. And when the rest do come up, the community token just either stays the same sideways trading or starts coming down. There's a couple of things that you have to know because it does happen in crypto. But guess what? A big difference is what occurred with Terra Luna Classic and Luna, which you remember Terra Luna Classic is the original Terra Luna, but it was forked and we created Luna Classic and Luna 2.0. And Luna 2.0, this is what happened. Completely exploded. These are some of my Fibonacci retracements, guys. They went out of the mark. That completely went from a massive 291% pump. That is really, you don't see this every single day. Went from $1 all the way to $7, and of course it's coming down and it's gonna continue crashing. This is what crypto is. But this, in one word, is how crypto whales, people, individuals or corporations or entities that buy a lot in a fraction of a time and they sell it off because they know people are gonna start coming in so they can exit before it crashes. It is just the world of crypto, and you have to understand that, right? So yes, Terra Luna Classic is still living, and there's, I believe, a lot of big news that are coming up for this cryptocurrency, but you have to stay alert and you have to subscribe to see the latest news with this one. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.